Hello, welcome back to another After Effects video. So in this video, we're going to look at how to do transitions using essentially a shape from Illustrator. So here you can see I just put the alpha matte, got the bumblebee underneath, and the stream of water is the background. So one of the things you want to do with these Illustrator alpha mattes is you see this button here for vector layer, which it is, continuously rasterize, right? So what it means is when you do scaling, especially about over 100%, means it's still going to look decent. So it's very important to do that on this thing. And then it's simply a case of just animating the alpha map. So this is a pretty useful thing to do, right? So we could do transform, and you could just choose like for instance, we could scale it from 0, and then by here it can fill the whole screen. And then we could also go for a rotation here of 0. And then we could do a bunch of, well, maybe not that many. Let's try 3.